Pius XII was in a quandary, and he thought, who on earth can I have? And then he suddenly thought of this man who had never been heard of, Angelo Roncalli. And he went into the Cardinal Secretary of State and said, what's all this about me being appointed to Paris? He said, the Cardinal Secretary said, you may well ask, it certainly wasn't my idea. Pope John was a remarkable man, and I've always had a great devotion to him for his simplicity, for his humour, for his steadfastness as a priest. And it seems to me the whole world were looking at his death and praying for him. He became the father of mankind in a way. He was good Pope John. So at the end of that week of speeches, the cardinals went in for the conclave, and I was staying in Rome, and at 7 o'clock, someone rushed up to me and said, white smoke, white smoke. I was amazed it was so quick. And it was very curious, because I'd not been at a conclave from outside before. And walking up the Via della Conciliazione up towards St. Peter's, after about half an hour, the lights came on the balcony. We have a pope. Great cheers. Then he said his name is Cardinal Jorge Bergoglio. Dead silence. Nobody had ever heard of him. And then he came out, and his first words were, Buonasera, good evening. And here I am, surrounded by these bishops, cardinals, and monsignori, and I much prefer to be out with you. But you know, he said, God has called you to where you are, and he's called me to where I am. And we must trust him, because he has a purpose for each and every one of us. So trust in God and love him. End.